today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a riser. I did a riser before on my channel, and I did the checkered feet, and you guys said, why don't you put checks on top? So there you are. Today's video, I'm doing another riser, but with a check theme on top. And I have to tell you that I was never into risers before until I start watching Liz from Traditions by the Season. I am so addicted to her channel. I think I've watched every single episode from the very beginning. If you don't follow her, please do. She decorates everything so nicely, and I think that her style is just warm and fuzzy, and I love that. Head on over to see her. But in the meantime, before you do that, watch my video and you're gonna see the riser that I did, and I did it for you. So without further ado, let's get started. I got this piece of wood at Hobby Lobby, and it's so beautiful. It has the bark on the side. One side is perfectly excellent condition. The other side does have a wood knot. However, I'm choosing that one to use to paint on because I want it to be perfectly imperfect. I'm just painting it with regular chalk paint, and the chalk paint can sometimes get kind of funny if it gets thick. So not to worry when that happens, because there is a solution for it, my friends. And the solution is get a mister and mist the wood with just plain water. Not spray, just mist, because it just lets out just enough and it smooths out the paint. What I didn't record was I gave it a second coat, let it dry, and now I just put the strips. So I'm going to show you how to use strips on this one. And I'm going to put this one right up to it. So I'm putting this here, and then I'm going to remove this one. And then I'm going to use this one as the basic measuring, just like so. And then I'm going to yank this one out and put it here. This is if you want to do it with the tape, this is the best way to do it. There you go. Well, we'll just put it here. That's about the same square. Okay. There are many ways that you can do this, but what I usually do is I paint the black squares right on top, and then I just do the cleanup after. Did get a viewer tell me is to paint the same color as the base first. So that's what we're going to try now. What she said was to basically just do this to cover the paint after you press it down. So we're going to try that. I think her name was Tracy that gave me those tips. That was you. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. So what Tracy said was basically press it down and just put it over the edges. That works. That's fabulous. Now you'll notice this one, there's a little hole there. That's from the wood. I'm okay with that. Hi guys, I have a favor to ask you. My birthday is coming up in July, and I'm at 3,000, just under 3,500 subscribers. And I'm going to ask you to please, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. My birthday wish is to reach 5,000 subscribers by July. I know that's a long shot, but only you can do it. And if you enjoy this type of stuff, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you so much. So I've done that black around the sides. That rough wood is painted in black all the way around while that other part was drying. I actually like the way this looks. It almost looks like a charcoal. And now I'm gonna do the opposite side. I think I've been on another planet. I just started watching a show called Yellowstone. I don't know if you guys watch it or not, but oh my gosh, it is absolutely amazing. If you don't watch it, please watch it. My favorites are Rick, John, and Beth. If you watch it, let me know who your favorites are. Hobby Lobby. This was $3.49 and it comes a whole bunch of different sizes. Now I'm going to create little feet, and all I'm doing is putting the little triangles on top of here like this and pressing it down.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed.
Take a chance. Oh, I love it. And that's how it's turned out. I love the little feet and the top. Now, I don't know if you remember in one of my videos, I showed you I got these for free on Marketplace, and I did that before in another video. And I love that charcoal effect here. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And don't forget to tell me who your favorite characters are in Yellowstone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.